Hey there, Jessica from the eRank team here. Today, we're going to be looking at patriotic themed keywords to help you Etsy sellers out there prepare for USA themed patriotic holidays. So in the US, we have Memorial Day in May, Flag Day in June, and the 4th of July in July. So right now, there is plenty of opportunity for you to get patriotic and USA themed items listed in time to meet these three holidays. So what we're going to do today is use eRank's keyword tool to do a little bit of keyword research. So how we get to the keyword tool is from our eRank dashboard. We're going to click either keyword tool towards the top of your screen, or we can click keyword research in the left-hand navigation bar and go down to keyword tool. So I'm going to click on that, and we're going to go to the keyword tool page. I'm going to go to the beta version of our keyword tool. So for today, I'm going to type in patriotic into the search bar at the top, and I'm going to keep it USA for country, and I'm going to keep it Etsy for the platform. If I wanted to, I could pick from a lot of other platforms to do keyword research for, but today we're just going to focus on Etsy. I'm going to click the green magnifying glass, and it's going to load all the stats for this keyword. All right, so here we are. So it looks like for patriotic, the average searches per month is just over 1,800 with an average click-through rate of 132%. Some of you might be wondering, how can a click-through rate be over 100%? So how that happens is if one shopper types patriotic into the Etsy search bar and they see a search page and they click on one listing, back out and click on another listing, now they've clicked on two listings for one search. So their click-through rate is 200%. So it averages out more than 100% means that multiple shoppers are clicking on multiple listings from one search page result. We can also see the search trend graph. So there's a huge spike here right around May and June, where May last year, there were over 6,700 searches on Etsy in the US just for the keyword patriotic. So this is definitely a great keyword or a good broad keyword to start your research with. As expected, about 85% of the searches were in the US. So if we scroll down a little bit to the keyword ideas area, we can see the most popular search terms that include the word patriotic. So patriotic on its own, we have patriotic PNG, fabric, SVG, shirt, decor, earrings, necktie, digital, and mug are the most popular searches. One thing to note, these average searches per month might not look so great right now because they're an average over the past 12 months. For example, patriotic shirt. Let's say patriotic shirt. If you look at September, October, November, December, there are about 0 to 10 searches per month. But then once you hit April, May, June, and July, there are a lot more searches per month, almost 4 times as many as show up in average searches. So take that into consideration when you're thinking about what keywords you might want to hit for a certain holiday. The average searches during the holiday time might be more than you would expect. We're also looking at competition here. So patriotic earrings, it looks like in May, June, July of last year, there are about 1,200 searches per month with a competition of only 15,000. So that is definitely lower than just patriotic on its own, which has 685,000. Let's try a specific holiday. Let's type in 4th of July and see what we can get for keyword statistics or keyword ideas for this keyword. We're going to wait for it to load. And here we are. So this one has a little bit higher average searches per month at just over 2,000. And it has a click-through rate of just over 100%. So most buyers are going to the search listing page, clicking on one listing, and then either buying it or performing a new search or leaving the Etsy platform. The big spike last year for 4th of July was in June, which is to be expected as most people purchase things before the holiday occurs. So there were over 13,000 searches in the US on Etsy just in June, just for the keyword 4th of July. There is plenty of opportunity here. Let's scroll down to keyword ideas and see if anything jumps out at us. So we have a lot of the same types of keywords as we did with Patriotic, with PNG, shirt, SVG, decor, shirts, t-shirt, earrings, and decorations. Looks like earrings again has lower competition than most of the other keywords that are shown here. So that might be a good keyword to try to hit. One thing that I would like to see is I would like to see how earrings as a whole performed, let's say in June of last year. I can do that by going to Trends on the left-hand navigation and click Monthly Trends. So it's going to default to the last month that we have data for, which for right now is January 2025. However, I can go back up to 15 months. So I'm going to go back to June of last year, and we're going to see what was popular. So earrings was the number 2 keyword on Etsy for June of last year with almost 75,000 searches. And it's got a flame next to it, which means it's still hot right now. So if you're a jewelry maker, consider making some patriotic themed earrings, as both 4th of July and earrings are both very popular terms during the month of June. I hope that this has given you some inspiration for your own items and shown you a little bit of how to do your own keyword research. We at eRank love helping sellers just like you. If you ever have a question or you want some more advice, feel free to ask us in the eRank Facebook group or in our eRank Reddit community. Have a great day!